Your first alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Michael Coates.
So we've been seeing this patchy valley fog, some cloud cover into the mountains. Take a look at what it looked like throughout the day in the Pocatello Farm Bureau camp. Some fairly thick fog to get the day going. And then as we work through the day, we began to thin out the cloud cover and the sun came out. It's going to get awfully cold tonight. We don't have much cloud cover overhead. Temperatures are going to fall, and then we're going to start to see some of that fog reform late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Yeah, colder conditions for tonight on the forecast. Let me take you right over to the Vipercast. For tonight, slight chance of snow around the Continental Divide. Also some cloud cover, slight chance of snow around Jackson Hole, Teton County, Idaho, and a little bit of eastern Bonneville County out through Swan Valley. And then we work into tomorrow. We're once again looking for that patchy valley fog in the morning. And we're also going to be looking for a bit of some cloud cover, but clearing cloud cover in the mountains. So they're going to start off some cloudy conditions and then try to thin out that cloud cover throughout the day. Now let's get into Wednesday, Thursday, and the rest of the week. Big ridge of high pressure still with us, but I'm going to freeze the clock right here Friday in the late morning hours. There is a little bit of a collapse to the ridge of high pressure, and we're going to start working in some moisture on the top side of that high. Now, most of this stuff will be riding along the Continental Divide. It's not going to be a heavy storm, but it could be enough just to shake up the inversion a little bit, pull in some scattered light snow showers, especially into the Snake River Highlands and then into the mountains. But for the Snake River Plain, I don't see much snow at all, maybe a few flurries if we're lucky. But there is a little bit of moisture just hinting at it's coming through on Friday, and then we're going to go to Saturday morning here. Saturday morning, some spotty snow showers coming across central and northern Idaho. That could get into the upper valley, but not much snow happening here for the weekend, just enough to shake things up. So fog and low cloud cover, a few flurries possible from that fog and cloud cover, and cooler temperatures. Yeah, we're going to go below average for tonight, tomorrow. 13 for the low in Idaho Falls tonight, and around 23 for the high tomorrow. 30 for Pocatello, hitting around 21 in Burley tonight. 4 for Arco with a high of 25 for tomorrow. Back to around Salmon at around 6 tonight with a high of 24 for tomorrow. 8 below in Stanley tonight with 24 the high. Getting into the Snake Highlands, St. Anthony getting to around 20 for tomorrow with a low 5 tonight. 7 below 0 in Island Park for the low, 11 below in West Yellowstone. Rexburg getting to around 22, the same for Jackson Hole. And around Lava Hot Springs we're at 29 degrees. 30 for Preston and Malad, mid-20s for Montpelier, when the average high should be into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Got that patchy fog in the forecast. Getting into Saturday and Sunday, temperatures warm to the average range here, upper 20s, lower 30s, stressing a slight chance of snow for this weekend. And temperatures warming a little bit into the later half of the 8-day forecast, pushing into the mid to upper 30s. Pocatello temps here at around 34 for Thursday, pushing towards 40 by Sunday. And we'll carry the 40s into next week. But there is a hint at the end of the 8-day forecast, even pushing like 10, 11 days out, that we could see a little bit of moisture trying to work through. So maybe a little bit of a warming before the storm into next week. Rexburg mid-20s for Thursday, upper 20s on Saturday. Freezing conditions with a high of 32 on Sunday, but everybody's going to be freezing because we're below that 32 mark for the next couple of days. Cold conditions in Blackfoot tonight and tomorrow with a high of 27. Temperatures into the mid-30s for Saturday, pushing closer to 40 for Sunday. Salmon, we're also going to be looking at a slight chance of snow this weekend, mixing with a little bit of rain. Temperatures into the upper 30s by Sunday. A mix of rain and snow there, and again, it's the mountain location. So Salmon, Island Park, Jackson, slight chance of hits of rain and snow in the forecast for the weekend. Jackson tomorrow, high of 22, but at night it gets awfully cold here before the fog tries to roll back in with a low of 5 below.
When about does that happen, the fog? When does it start rolling in?
When we get really into the overnight hours, when we start getting, after sunset, of course, when temperatures are going to start falling close to that dew point. Okay. And we're going to start looking for more of that fog redeveloping tonight on your drive home from work.
That's what I wondered, yeah. All right, we'll watch for it. Thank you.